Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about 4 benefits of using a Himalayan salt lamp in your home. What I have here is a Himalayan salt lamp, and I'm going to talk to you about 4 great reasons why these things are awesome. Reason number 1 is its simple aesthetic design. As you can see, it serves as an awesome piece to have in your living room, your dining room, your family room, or your kitchen. In addition to that, it actually has a great light output. And this one that I have right here actually has a variable light output, so you can make it dimmer or much brighter. And I know that the whole screen dimmed out right now, but that's just because the camera is focusing on the great amount of light that this is putting off. So in addition to it looking good, it serves a great purpose. And the next 3 reasons will be about the purpose that it serves. So reason number 1, once again, is how it looks. It simply looks amazing. It's aesthetically pleasing, and it serves as a great night light. Reason number 2 is it serves for a great light and color therapy. Now, many studies have shown that being exposed to these kinds of lights and sunlight and things like that is actually really good for your mood. So what that means is that it's actually going to positively affect your mood. Just having this on in your peripheral vision is going to make you feel better slightly. And that slight increase in mood and that slight increase in your positivity that you're giving out will end up compounding, and you'll become in a much better mood just from simply having this light on. It's very, very simple, okay? Light and color therapy, especially with this nice pinkish color and the light that it's giving off, can have a significantly positive effect on your mood and your overall well-being. Reason number 3 is that it actually neutralizes electromagnetic radiation. So when you use your cell phone, when you use a computer, or anything electronic pretty much, those things give out positive ions, okay? And those positive ions are all throughout your home, all throughout your work, all throughout everywhere that has, any electronic type of thing in it, which electronics are simply everywhere. Almost everybody has a cell phone. So what this does is this actually releases negative ions. Now, it doesn't release a ton of negative ions. It only releases a slight amount of negative ions, but the negative ions that are released by the Himalayan salt lamp actually counteract the positive ions that are released from your electronic devices. So when you have these negative ions counteracting the positive ions, you're going to neutralize them, which means that you're going to reduce the level of electromagnetic radiation that is caused by the positive ions. It's actually a really simple and cool thing, and it's one of the main benefits, one of the main reasons why people use these lamps and why people like these lamps. And last but not least, reason number 4 is a Himalayan salt lamp will actually assist you in having a better night's sleep. Now, positive ions actually have a decent effect on your blood and oxygen flow throughout your body. So with a lot of positive ions, your brain won't receive as much blood flow or oxygen flow. And with that being said, it's going to affect the quality of your sleep. Even if you're sleeping and you feel like you've had a decent night's sleep, you might not have had a really good night's sleep. And even if you've slept for 8 or 9 hours, it's the quality of your sleep that makes a difference. So when you have a Himalayan salt lamp just like this, what's going to happen is the negative ions that it produces are going to counteract the positive ions, and that's going to help improve the flow of oxygen and blood that goes throughout your body into your brain, which will in turn help you in getting a better night's sleep. But that's basically it. In this video, I just wanted to go over 4 of the main benefits of a Himalayan salt lamp just like this. They're really cool, they look great, they're very functional, and they serve an awesome, awesome purpose. And just like I said, this one that I have right here has a variable brightness setting, which I find to be really, really great because you can turn it up really bright during the daytime, and then at nighttime you can sort of dim it down like that, just to produce a little bit of light, almost like a night light. It serves almost as a night light, okay? But it's a functional night light. Aside from the fact that it produces a light at night, it has a lot of other functions and features as well. But that's basically it. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.